what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different vlog. Well, maybe not super different, but in my opinion different. This actually was not the video that I planned to upload today. So this past week I was out of work almost every single day. I went to work on Tuesday and Wednesday just for a couple of hours, and you guys know why I'm out of work, just because of everything that's going on over here. And I vlogged every day, and I sat down and I edited all of the footage, and I just don't want to post it because, to be completely honest, last week I feel like I was kind of going through it, and you can really tell in the footage. I'm not like super negative or anything like that in the footage, but I just don't seem like my normal self because last week was actually a really hard week, I think, for a lot of people over here. I stayed inside. I didn't really like go anywhere except on my walks with Cleo. And yeah, so we are going to abort all of that footage. We're not going to upload that video. And instead, today I'm going to make this video and show you guys how I'm staying positive when times get tough. Things just feel weird, you know what I mean? Because I'm out of my routine, and I have had like a huge shift in appetite. So these days it's actually like really hard for me to eat. There were a couple days last week that I felt so anxious that I just could not keep anything down. Like anytime I would eat, it would just come right back up. Sorry if that's TMI. So I just kind of want to show you guys how I am implementing little things in my daily life now to keep my spirits up. I'm sure some people are probably thinking, you know, what's the big deal? You have all this time off work, because once again, guys, I'm actually gonna be out of work next week too. Anyway, sorry for rambling so much, but I feel like I just had to do a little bit of explaining first in this video. So it is currently Sunday. It has been a beautiful morning. I went on a long walk with Cleo, and that has been one way that I've like really been implementing self-care, just like going on these long walks. And it was so warm that I was able to take her jacket off. So spring is definitely coming. But now I am about to head out to a cafe. I'm tired of staying inside, you guys. If I get sick when I go out, oh well. Like, I'm just so tired of being cooped up in my house because literally all of last week I stayed inside. So we are going to be venturing outside today, whether that's dangerous or not. I got this book for Christmas. It's called The Court Dancer. It's a novel, and I'm gonna bring this with me and I'm gonna start reading this at the cafe. Something I'm really gonna try and minimize this week is my use of technology, because I feel like without even realizing it, that adds to that anxious feeling I've been experiencing. If I have time, I might go do some shopping at Daiso, because number one, that always just puts me in a great mood, and number two, I heard that their spring stuff is out, like their cherry blossom stuff, so I think that would be really cool to check out. And then later on this evening, I'm going to the beach with my friend. We're gonna watch the sunset and maybe get a drink while we're there. And I'm really excited to bring you guys along with me for my day. Posting this type of video feels much better than posting a kind of like depressing week in my life, honestly. I don't think you guys would have enjoyed that video. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and just put on some shoes. I'm gonna pack a bag with my book and my headphones and stuff, and we are going to head out to our first stop of the day. Also, I've been drinking a ton of lemon water lately. I really missed it. I used to drink this all the time. Alright guys, so I am back from my little outing I had earlier today. I took Cleo on another walk and she is just relaxing now. And I changed. I actually got a new outfit from H&M. Getting new outfits always just puts me in like a nice peppy mood, especially when it's an outfit specifically for going somewhere. Can you guys relate to that? And now I'm about to head to meet my friend at the subway station, and then we're gonna head over to the beach. We're going to a different beach than we usually go to. This one is definitely definitely much more like low-key, and I think it's a really pretty place to watch the sunset. It's so interesting, guys, and I'm thinking about this because I just walked inside from being outside. It doesn't feel like I'm in Korea because the streets are so empty right now. It's bizarre. As I said, I want to keep this vlog like as positive as possible, but it's just weird, you guys. It's weird when you go outside usually and there's like hundreds of people walking around, and you go outside and there's just nobody. Like, it feels weird. It's hard to explain. Anyways, I'm really glad I had the chance to go and just decompress at that cafe and read. It was really nice to not be on my phone or anything for like a couple hours. And as you guys saw, I did some window shopping, and now I'm going to head out. So I'll see you guys when I get to the beach. You guys, I'm so excited to be spending so much time not in my house today. Even though it's weird that the streets are pretty empty, it's kind of nice to have a little bit of space for the first time in a long time. Hello, you guys. So I just got home. It's actually about 10 p.m. right now. So after the beach and the beer my friend and I got, we ended up meeting up with two of our guy friends closer to my house. So we came back over to this side of town and we had like a full-on dinner with them. And I'm actually really proud of myself because they wanted, like, we were gonna go to like another place, and then I just thought, and I was like, no dude, you need to be good to your body and you need to like come home. Even though I'm not working tomorrow, I want to like do my nightly ritual routine, because whenever I end my night on like a good self-care note, I feel like I look crazy right now, but I feel like I just have like a good next day. And tomorrow's Monday, so I really want to set good intentions for the next week, because as I said, last week was not my hottest week that I have had so far here. Yeah, I am going to take this little one, Cleo. She's so funny. You want to say hello to everybody? Say hello. But yeah, I am going to take this little one out probably for 30 to 45 minutes. Seems like a long time, but it goes by really quickly. And I've actually been getting in a new routine of putting podcasts in while I walk instead of music, just because I feel like it's a good way to utilize my time. It really does just depend on my mood though, because some days I do feel like listening to music, but this is definitely gonna be the type of night that I listen to a podcast. I'll probably listen to one about goal setting and like starting your week off on a good note, because it is Sunday. All right, anyways, I am going to walk her and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Let's go. All right, so there's usually, I would say, at least on this street right here, at least like 50 to 100 people walking around just like on this street, and it's completely empty. It's literally like a ghost town right now. It's so weird. Alright, back inside now, and as I showed you guys that footage from a couple days ago, the streets are pretty empty. It was really weird like being out tonight with my friends and just nobody being out. But that's all I'm gonna say about that. I wanted to keep this vlog completely steered away from the whole virus thing that's going on right now. Anyways, so this is the time that I would come in, take my makeup off, and because I have all this time these days not being at work, I've actually gotten really into watching Netflix. Usually I never have time. I'm always just like tired or I have other stuff to do. But these days I actually have time. So I watched the entire first and only series of Love is Blind, or Blind Love. Is that what it's called? I think it's called Love is Blind. Really, really good. Those couples are crazy though. Have you guys seen it though? If so, let me know who your favorite characters slash couples are. I feel like everybody disliked Jessica, but I actually really liked her. Like, if I could be friends with somebody from that show, it would be Jessica. I feel like her and I would get along really well. Anyways, so I am going to take off my makeup. I think tonight I'm actually going to do one of my hydrogel face masks. This is from Nature Republic. I really like the aloe vera ones. I am going to actually edit this video before I watch any Netflix. I want to get this video edited because I want to post it as soon as I can, because it's already Sunday morning in America. Oh, it's weird, guys. Like I told you, I am struggling with keeping my food down. I think it's just because my tummy is so twisty and turny, like I'm feeling anxious. You know that feeling right before you take a test, like a really big test? I've had that feeling all week, even though there's no test I have to take. It's just that anxious feeling, and it makes me just like want to, not like want to, but it makes me feel like all my food is gonna come up. So I'm gonna take it really easy tonight. I'm gonna sip on this water. Going to put this mask on, but I'm actually gonna go ahead and close the video off here just because I feel like this is a good stopping point. I'm not really doing anything else with my night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am looking forward to doing a ton of videos this upcoming week. So if I upload like 3 times this upcoming week, don't be surprised because I have a lot of time on my hands. But I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe if you haven't already. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys very soon in the next video. Bye guys.